Okay, so right now I am looking forward to actually be more biased toward buying side right now. Oops, oh come on. Don't do this to me. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it's come on. There we go. Okay, here we go. Whew. So I am more biased towards long right now, and from what I can see so far, it doesn't look like there's going to be any pullback at all. So we might actually have to do a follow trend trading, but we are not going to jump into the trade. We're going to wait for a nice, good opportune time so that we can actually enter the trade with very little stop loss right here. So right now it is about to enter the 44.20. Let's see how far it come back here to retest. I would say that if we retest it about like 44.20 around here, it would be a really good price to actually enter the trade. Let's see if it cannot break below 42.420 though. So let's wait for it. And for now, here we go. Oof. Damn, nice jump. Let's see, DZV zone. Yep. Okay, we already passed. So here is the general analysis. If you want to take a look, you can actually take a look on the oops. If you want to take a look, you can come in and take a look at my analysis in the little play app right there. So just search Pro Trader and you can see my trading setup right now. And I'm thinking if the price right now it has been spiking up high, it already passed the first zone, so it definitely is not going down. It's already past the first zone on the daily volatility zone. So so if it can pass 4400 and right now it just make a drop way down below here 4400 and then making a jump, and it doesn't look like it will be coming back. So if this hourly candle right now that we are in at around 44.15 up to like 44.20 44.30 right now, if this hourly candle that it just up and down right now, if this hourly candle spike through pushing 44.40, I'm definitely think it's gonna head up higher. So right now we are going to wait to see the retest at around 44.15 44.20, somewhere around here. This will be the area where I will try to get an early trade in right here. So this area right here is where I will try to get an earlier trade in. Of course, this will be a very this will be a very early trade. So putting a small lot size in because I'm not too sure if the trade will work out or not. But this is going to be our first trade of the day. So let's wait to see if the price can drop to that 44.15 to 44.20 level and have the rejection on that block. So let's see it. So how's you guys doing right now? How are you guys doing? Today is the first Monday and oh man, it's spike. It didn't even come down below 44.25 right now. It's just going up and up and up. We're doing all right. Hey, awesome, awesome. So today, I think today is a pretty easy day. If you are trend following trading, if you are a mean reversal trading, I don't think you're gonna have much of a good time today because if you're doing mean reversal trading, you're definitely gonna get hurt a lot. But if you are doing mean reversal trading at around 44.40, then you will actually get quite a good number here. You get around like 4,000 points. However, I don't suggest that you're doing reversal play right now, because when you do trend a reversal play, the mean reversal especially, it means that everything is stabilized. But right now, nothing is stabilized. Nothing is stabilized. That is the news on Venezuela. That is the news on like the instability of the United States. There is instability in China, especially its economy and its infrastructure. Um, and also Canada is part of the play as well. I'm actually from Canada, and we have a lot of like a separatist movement, so it's not really something that a normal, I would consider a normal condition right now. So if you are trading the usual way where you thought that, hey, it's gonna be like mean reversal, well, nowadays it might not be such a good idea to actually play that mean reversal, because um, the everything pushing the fundamental for gold and silver to actually push up the price to be higher. That's a lot of demand. Of course, for especially for silver, there's a lot of demand on that front as well, because silver is what used in the semiconductor way more than gold. And right now there is a shortage of silver, and so the price generally going up right now is spiking 150% last year, and possibly gonna go higher again this year as well, because of the AI technology always need the semiconductor. So I'm pretty sure that every every stocks on semiconductors can be keep going up again. I know it's so hard right now. It need to have a correction pullbacks. Well, the need is still exceed. So, and I don't see a break of trend yet. That's why I'm thinking, yes, there might be a pullback, but every pullback is a chance to actually get in and going up right now, because fundamentally it still is required. It still is on demand. So if you have a chance to get in, whether it's on silver or gold, I suggest that you do as early as you can, because you might not be able to get this price anymore right now. And here's the thing where I told a lot of people, if you zoom out here on the hourly chart, you will see the reverse head and shoulder on the daily chart. I know it doesn't looks like it, but take a look at this. If you drew this sharp drop on Monday the 29th, just before the new year, we saw the huge drop here, and a lot of people thought, hey, it's going down, it's on reversal already. Well, everything changes when the price have a huge up and down right here, which means it's actually matching the low of the previous low at around 4300, meaning that it formed the head and shoulder reversal at 4300. Now, if it formed the head and shoulder reversal on at 4300, and right now, especially with the news with the fundamental, it actually breaking out beyond 4400. Now that it come back to retest 4400, it definitely has a potential to hit a lot higher. So this is my analysis for the hourly chart that transfer into daily, that I can see that it is very likely we are going to see it going much higher right now. And right now that the price is actually pulling back, coming down to 44.20 right now. Almost coming down to 44.20. I am thinking of placing a buy order, but we are not placing a buy order just yet. We are going to wait for the confirmation. Right now, in another 5 minutes, there will be a change in the half-hour candle. So let's zoom in and see on this half-hour candle. What does it look like? It looks like we have a huge pullback, leaving a topping tail. So if we are to buy right here, might not be such a good idea because on the half-hour candle, it's actually leaving the topping tail already. So we are thinking that it is likely to actually came down first, making a tail on the lower side before it actually head up higher. So let's see how the reaction is at around like 44.15, 44.16, around here. Or if it doesn't come back down that much, at least it needs to dip below 44.20 and see if it can actually head it up higher right now. Okay, right here. 44.20. Let's see. Let's see if I can actually get a chance to get in on this thing. Making 3,000 points this morning, but I am thinking of risking it all right here at around 44. Oh man, it's gone up already. That was quick. Okay, I'm not hitting that just yet, so let me, while we're waiting for another 4 minutes for the trade setup to actually work itself out, I am going to ask how you guys doing right now. I want to ask how you guys doing right now. Because right now I don't have any order in, and I am thinking of taking an order today. Boom, boom, boom. Share. Alrighty. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oof. Let's see if it can drop some more, because I think right here it can drop a little bit more before we are buying it up right now. So let's wait for it. Here we go. Come on. 3 more minutes and we're gonna see the reaction on the next half-hour candle. Then we can actually make a decision if it does, leaving a bottoming tail in the next half-hour candle. We can actually enter it right at around like 44.16, 44.18. But I believe that it will have a drop first, coming to retest the turn line, which right now sitting at around 44.18. And if the price can drop to that point, we can see the reaction then. So let's wait 2 more minutes here. Does anybody have an order yet, or do you guys just waiting for the news right now? And thank you so much for all the likes. Please, thank you so much for all the like right now. From like Zach and Sun and Sunny. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Buy limit? No, I don't do buy limit because especially days like today, is on Monday. We like if we get like the nick of it, that's great, but usually get swept out. And we don't want that. We want to see the reaction when it actually came down, then you took it, rather than trying to time where the price would be landed. Because here's the thing, you could have all the technical analysis to guess where the where the big players are actually entering. However, if your guess is incorrect, that like you here, okay. Let me give you an example. Let me give you an example. The technical analysis is an analysis. Okay, here's the drop. Here's the drop right now. I'll explain. Remind me again, okay? Because like I want to concentrate on this trade first, and then I will come back to explain why I don't do buy and sell limit, and instead of waiting for the reaction of the price action in the minute charts before actually entering the trade. Okay, so yeah, make sure to remind me of that, because this is really good key here for you to actually enter the trade. Some might be great with playing with the buy limit, sell limit, and I respect that. But I like to go with the movement. Okay, all right. Right now, we are entering the zone here that we want to enter the trade, but we are not going to enter it just yet, because right now, 1 minute closes right now. It closes and it has a huge drop right now. So we are going to wait until it changes the minute charts. Right now, we're going to wait until it changes the minute chart, because whoa, what's happening here? Okay, does anybody have the same thing as I do? Because it just spiked really fast right now. It just spiked really fast right now. I'm waiting right now to see if we can actually enter the trade, and we're not entering the trade just yet. 44.18, let's see if they're going to break down below 44.18 right now, because it's actually come down quite hard right here. It came down quite hard right here. Why is on and it's not doing anything? All right. I am just about ready to actually enter the trade right now. Actually, did anybody get at 44.20? I actually didn't get it. I was waiting for like if there's gonna be a rejection, and right here is a clear rejection right here. So in about 15 seconds, I will actually going for a buying position at whatever price it is gonna be right now. So let's wait a few more seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Man, I really have to enter at 24 right here. I don't want to enter at 24 right here. This seems so bad right now. Oh, did anybody enter at 25? Anybody enter at 25 right now? I didn't actually get that one. I don't know why. Onda is actually a really bad, having a really bad price action right now. So I'm gonna switch it over. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it over to Pepperstone. All right. Yeah, that's giving me a bad read right now. I am going to enter at around 22, 21, somewhere around here. I'm going to, because right now it's actually leaving a tail, and it looks to me like it's going to be a good buying opportunity pretty soon here. So let's wait for it. Oh man, it's going up already. I'm going to wait for a pullback. Now that it showed me clearly it has a rejection at 41.20, which is where I thought the rejection is going to be, I'm going to wait for one last drop before I'm actually buying it up. But, oh man, I didn't get that. I didn't get that. I didn't get that. It's actually going up already. If it goes up, it goes up, and then we're just going to wait for the new trade setup right now. Yeah, I was pretty shocked at the พูดภาษาไทยได้ไหมครับได้ครับเดี๋ยวผมพูดไทยด้วยแล้วกันนะครับ um, so I was saying that if the price actually come down to 44.20, I am going to have a buy position right here, but it already went up like 5, 6, 700 points right now. So we are going to enter at like 45, 44.25 right here. Okay, right. Oh, that's come down far. Here we go. We are entering right here. At the end of this candle, we're gonna enter right here. We're gonna enter right here.เดี๋ยวก็จะเข้าออเดอร์ตรงนี้เลยนะฮะเข้าออเดอร์ตรงนี้เลยนะครับเข้าออเดอร์ตรงนี้เลยนะฮะ I actually got 44.24 right now. 44.24. Gonna have a stop loss at around, because of how big the swing is right now, I'm gonna have a stop loss at around like 1,000 point and target at around like 1,500 points right now. เดี๋ยวผม enter ผมใส่ออเดอร์แล้วนะครับที่4424นะครับแต่ว่าถ้าเกิดว่าใครยังไม่ได้เข้าออเดอร์สามารถเข้าตรงนี้ได้นะสวิงตอนนี้เร็วมากนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยให้ใส่ออเดอร์แบบน้อยๆไว้นะครับแบบพูดง่ายๆว่าใส่ออเดอร์ครึ่งหนึ่งของหลอดปกตินะครับผมเพราะว่าผมรู้สึกว่าวันนี้เป็นวันที่สวิงแรงจัดมากๆนะฮะ Okay, right here. I'm gonna post it to the room right now. Let me just. I'm actually buying right now. I'm buying right now. I'm buying right now at the rejection at 44.20 right here. I'm buying right now. This is gonna be our first order, and make sure to have an appropriate lot size. Okay. 1 second. I'm gonna close it to the room right now. Buy now. Okay, it's going up right now at 44. I basically have a position at around average at around 44.22. ผมตอนนี้ได้ใส่ออเดอร์ไปแล้วนะครับตอนนี้ใส่ออเดอร์ไปแล้วนะครับที่ถ้าเกิดใครใส่ออเดอร์ได้ที่ประมาณ4420นะครับผม average ราคาอยู่ที่ประมาณ4420นะฮะสามารถมี stop loss 1,000 จุดนะครับตอนนี้เพราะว่าแรงเหวี่ยงมันแรงมากนะครับตอนนี้แล้วก็ TP เนี่ยผมขอไปสัก 1,500 จุดเลยนะครับ already okay let me just capture this. Here we go. How do I? Okay, I'm buying right now. I'm buying right now. Buying now, buying now, buying now. And like I said, put a small position in because I don't know if this trade will work out or not. But I do know that with the statistic, it will very likely to work in my favor. So no matter what, I am still going to take an order no matter if it's gonna hit a TP or SL. Okay? So here we go. Where's there we go. All right, boom, right there. Here we go. It's going up right now ไปแล้วนะครับไปแล้วนะครับผมบายไปแล้วนะครับตอนนี้ไม่รู้ใครบายมาพร้อมผมไหมนะฮะแต่ตอนนี้นะครับ bam right there right there boom already up right now 50 bucks up right now on my small account just wanted to play with everybody here and like I said in the during December and November month I'm not gonna play very much but only 0.05 and right now the price just keep going up and up and it is boom bam baby keep going up and up and up right now. Let's go head it up higher let's see if it can actually pass 44.30 right here. Let's see if it can pass 44.30 right here because if it can pass that we are definitely gonna see it headed up higher นะครับตอนนี้ผมรอดูที่4430นะครับถ้าเกิดว่าราคาเนี่ยมันขึ้นเกิน4430เนี่ยแน่นอนว่ามันจะขึ้นไปเรื่อยๆเลยนะครับผมตอนนี้นะฮะเดี๋ยวรอดูกันนะครับ I'm trying so hard to do multitask right now. Send it to the group, I explain it to you guys, and then I'm trying to do my own trade as well. It's not easy. It's not easy, but it's manageable. So right now, if the price is actually going up to 44.30 and cannot break beyond that, then you might want to secure some if you are taking too much risk. But I would advise that for this trade to actually work itself out, you should wait until the target profit at around 44.35 at least. So let's see if it can actually go up there right now. Because if it can, then we're gonna see a nice play right here working itself out. All right, come on. Right after it actually go up to 44.30, if it cannot break 44.30 easily, like if it just go there and then just kind of stabilize at around 44.30 for 1-2 minutes on this 1 or 2 minutes candle shot, I am definitely going to take our profit. Okay, เดี๋ยวรอนะฮะและถ้าเกิดว่าราคาเนี่ยมันขึ้นไปถึง4430แล้วมันแบบนิ่งๆเนี่ยสัก1 นาที 2 นาทีผมอาจจะแบบเก็บกำไรมาก่อนนะฮะคงไม่ได้แบบวัดขนาดนั้นนะเพราะว่ามันก็ยังเป็นขาขึ้นนะทุกคนมันยังเป็นขาขึ้นนะแต่ว่ามันก็ค่อนข้างเสี่ยง Here we go let's go baby let's go right now let's go right now let's go it's gonna keep going up right now let's see if it push that 44.30 right now. If we can push 44.30 right now, we are in it for the money. And right now, you really should adjust your stop loss and target to if your usual stop loss is like 500, right now it should be 1,000 because it is really it swings very fast right now, and you are really likely to get swept out if you're not putting that much stop loss in. Of course, in this case, we can have a nice good tight stop loss here because I don't think it will go down below 44.16 now, so we can have adjust the stop loss to 44.16 right now. But I'm still gonna suggest that it is very right now, if you are placing a new order, I don't suggest you having like less than 500 points. It's gonna get swept out really fast, and you're gonna be missing a lot of opportunities. So, boom! All right, here we go. Let's go up and up and up. Let's see if it can actually break this this resistance at around 44.27 right now. Let's see if it can break this resistance, because if it can break this resistance, it definitely is. Oh, here we go. Boom, right there, broken right there. All right, here we go. Now that it actually reaches that 44.30, let's see if it can break through this this supply right now. ตอนนี้นะฮะมันเริ่มดีดขึ้นไปแล้วนะครับ ดีดขึ้นไปแล้ว ไม่รู้ว่ามันจะเบรกที่30นี้ได้หรือเปล่านะฮะเดี๋ยวรอดูนะครับเดี๋ยวรอดูนะครับเดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะไปแล้วนะครับไปแล้วนะครับตอนนี้ไปแล้วนะถ้าเกิดว่ามันเบรก30นะฮะเดี๋ยวมันจะขึ้นไปเรื่อยๆจนถึง target ของเรา35นะครับ so if it does break this 4430 I'm gonna wait 1 or 2 minutes if it can break above this 4430 it's going to go all the way up and going